Kai Rashawn. Girl, you put me on this wig. I can't. You got me with the $35. I'm not gonna lie. I like that. When wigs cost about $20, $30. I'm not gonna lie. Now I will go up. I will, depending on the wig. I'm not gonna hold you, but when they about $20, $30, a good strong $37. I get happy about that if it's a wig day. And baby, it's a wig day. Let's get it. So guys, whilst my little dollop of concealer is oxidizing and things, let's look at this wig right here. This is the Sensational Curls, Kinks & Co. Textured Lace Wig, 100% Premier Fiber. That means it's aesthetic, but not thetic. Wide part, Kinky Loose Spiral, 24 inches. Glueless. Turn to your neighbor and say, Glueless lace wig. Now, they've been watching the girlies because they have the demonstrations. They get you when it come out the bag, and then after styling, they let you know it's gonna come to you one way. Huh? Boy, I can preach this up on one, but if you put in the work, huh? Won't it be brand new? I'm not doing this for y'all today. They didn't even realize they were finna get a word out of this. When they was doing the packaging and the people came in for the packaging meeting, they didn't know.
Chad, we about to make this wig brand new.
The stock card is nice. It's a nice loose spiral curl, just as it says. But the way Kai did it, it's got the volume, it's got the bounce, it's got all of those things. So I'm going to try to see if I can finagle it. Now, what I like about this are the kinky edges. They putting the edges on there for you. That's all I'm saying to you. They putting the edges on there for you. Now, sometimes these wig companies get a little happy when they figure something out. So sometimes the edges that they put on these wigs can be a little much. Now I'm not saying this because this is my first time with this wig, so I don't know. What you're gonna have to do is thin those suckers out if you want to. Baby, it's up to you and your face, huh? Whether you want to or not take it to the place. That's up to you to determine what you gonna do and how you wanna govern yourself in accordance with how you. Now this is a wide part wig, which means the part goes like this. Wide part HD lace with wide pre-plucked, oh, okay, it's pre-plucked lace area. Now Kai did some additional plucking. So I don't know if it was pre-plucked like that, or they did just enough to get you started and said put it in the bag and ship it. I don't know which one yet. 5-inch deep parting space. Now I like that. You know, I like the Moses part. Kinky edges that matches hair. Glueless with elastic band. Hey, I like those things. Kai, big shout out. I hope I can get it to look like hers. We about to find out. But for $35, we're going to see if we can make it holler. Hold a minute. Hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and join the fun. You know you want to. Become a cousin. Because right now, some of y'all are a friend of the family. And we love y'all too. But come on over here to the family reunion. Huh? You can't sit on the porch with us. You can just pass by and wave. But you can't come in and get no food unless you hit that subscribe button. Hold a minute.